Hello, good day. My name is Amina Spencer, and today I'll be showing how to install Windows Server 2008 in Virtualbox. First, open up your browser, and we're going to do a Google search of Virtualbox. So let's type in Virtualbox. Right, it's here, and we click in the second link. As you can see here, Virtualbox is available for multiple OSs: Debian, Ubuntu, macOS, but we'll be going for the one for Windows. So click the link and allow it to download. While that's downloaded, you do another search for our ISO. So and we're going to install Windows Server 2008. So type that in into your search bar. Click search. As you can see, we're looking for the 2008 Enterprise Edition from Microsoft. Right, this page will open up our language English, and you just click download, and we'll be download, and these are the two files. One is for AMD computers, while the other is for AMD 64-bit computers, while the other is 32-bit. We'll be selecting the 32-bit edition. Click next, and it shall download. Right, now we're going to install Virtualbox. Click run. Click next. Make sure it's installed in the right place on your computer. Click next, next, yes, and install. This should take about like several minutes to install. It asks you for permission. Click yes, and click finish. This is our Virtualbox. As you can see, from the past I had one previously here, but we'll be doing a new one. So click new, and here we'll be typing in the name of the operating system we're entering. So Windows Server 2008. Officially they're supposed to change as you enter the options, so apparently they don't want to change with me. So click next, click next. This is the amount of RAM that will be allocated to the virtual machine. By default it's set to 512. I have enough RAM, so I can carry it up to at least 1 gig. Click next. This is to create the virtual hard drive for the virtual machine. So you're selecting the option create virtual hard drive. If you have virtual hard drives from before, you could also click here and select them, but we're going with create a virtual in a new virtual hard drive. Create. We'll leave it at the first option. Next. And dynamically allocated means that as you add data to that hard drive, it expands to support the data, whereas fixed, once you set it to a certain size, it won't grow or decrease. But we are going with dynamically allocated, and there our virtual machine is created. Now we need to install Windows Server 2008 in it. So you click start. Right, after you click start, click OK, and now you'll be selecting the actual ISO file to install Windows Server 8. And just click start. Click OK, and now it's loaded down the files to do the installation. Right, now it's starting up. First, it's going to ask you the language you want it in. That will be English. If you're Spanish, it will be Spanish, but English for me. Click next, then click install now. Give it a few moments before our next option window pops up. Alright, this is the option window. As you can see, there are multiple versions of Windows Server 2008, Enterprise, Data Centers, Service Core, and so forth, but we'll be going with Enterprise full installation. Select that and click next. These are the terms and conditions. Click I accept the license term and click next, and we'll be clicking custom advanced installation. Now they are allowing you to select the hard drive to install Windows Server on. As you can see, this is the hard drive we created earlier, so that's selected and click next. And now it's going to copy, expand, and install all the features and files for Windows Server 2008. This process will take anywhere from 20 to a half an hour according to the system, so we're going to be back when it's almost finished. Right, we're back, 99, 100, and the computer is going to restart to finish the installation. So you can just click restart now, and the virtual machine is going to restart. I'm going to just when Windows Server 2008 first boots, it will say there was an error with the passcode and prompt you to enter a new password. This is the error when you first boot into Windows Server 2008. Just click OK and enter in a new password. Preferably use uppercase and lowercase letters and special characters to make a strong password. And let's click this arrow. Right, and your password will change. Click OK, and it will now create and boot into your new desktop. Box. This was a tutorial to show how to install Windows 2008 into Virtualbox. Thank you very much.